Welcome to the channel, English Breakthrough. Do you struggle to speak English fluently? Do you feel nervous when talking to others? Well, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Today, I'll show you 5 easy steps to start speaking English fluently. And guess what? You don't need complicated grammar or memorizing thousands of words. Okay, let's begin. Yes. First step is start with simple phrases. Many beginners try to speak perfect English, but that's a mistake. Instead, start with simple sentences. You don't need fancy words to sound fluent. Don't say, "I am feeling exhausted." Instead, say, "I am very tired." See? Shorter, simpler, and easier to say. Try it with me. Say, "I am very tired." Great! Now, comment below one simple sentence using this trick. Once you get practice speaking fluently, then you can move on to learn new complicated words. Second step, listen and try to copy native speakers. Let's watch a video clip on famous TV series.
Okay, right about now the turkey should be crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Why are we standing here?
We're waiting for you to open the door. You've got the keys.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. When we left, you said, "Got the keys."
No, I didn't. I asked. Got the keys?
No. You said, "Got the keys."
Either of you have the keys?
The oven is on.
Oh, I've got to get my ticket.
Oh, wait, we have a copy of your key.
Well, then get it.
Hey, that tone won't make me go any faster.
Joey?
That one will.
The best way to learn English is to listen and copy native speakers. Watch English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos, just like this one. Let's practice one now.
Why are we standing here?
We're waiting for you to open the door. You've got the keys.
No, I don't.
Now, let's try this together. Repeat after me. Speaker 1, why we're standing here. Speaker 2, we're waiting for you to open the door. You got the keys. Speaker 1, no, I don't. Awesome. This method helps you sound more natural. Try watching 5 minutes of English content every day and copy what they say. This method will enhance your pronunciation, fluency, and accent. Third step is speak without fear. Many people don't speak because they're afraid of making mistakes. But guess what? Even native speakers make mistakes. Fluency is about confidence, not perfection. See some mistakes that native speakers have made.
Now you're correcting my grammar?
You know, I should have went in there. I should have gone. But she don't care.
She doesn't care.
Who are you talking to?
Who are you talking to?
Captain, to whom are you talking?
And I give credit to who I want, okay? To who, to whom, to you, that's whom.
Did you notice their mistakes? They make mistakes, but their confidence doesn't let us to identify them. English is probably more flexible than your native language. Here's a fun challenge. Speak one sentence in English right now. You can talk to yourself, your mirror, or even your pet. Say, "I am learning English every day." Come on, try it. Say it out loud. I am learning English every day. Great job now. Type one simple English sentence in the comments below. Don't be shy. The more you practice, the faster you improve. Fourth step is think in English. Here's a big secret to fluency. Stop translating in your head. Instead of thinking in your native language and then translating, try thinking directly in English. For a simple example, if you see an apple, don't think of the word in your language. Just say apple in English. Try this. What's the first English word that comes to your mind when you see these pictures? Ashtan. Type your answer in the comments. This trick will help you think faster and speak naturally. Our fifth step is practice with a speaking partner. Speaking alone is great, but practicing with a partner is even better. Find a speaking buddy. a friend, a family member, or even an online partner. Here are few apps to find a language partner. You can use apps like HelloTalk to talk to real people. And here's an idea. Try speaking with yourself too. See this example. What should I eat today? Maybe I'll have some coffee. Talking to yourself in English will train your brain to think fast. After the video, talk about your day in English for 1 minute. Now, let's test what you've learned. Comment below with one sentence in English. It can be anything. Well, that's the end of these valuable tips for speaking English. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy English tips and lessons. Also, don't forget to share with your friends. Don't forget to watch my next video here for more speaking tricks. See you soon and keep practicing English every day. Thanks for watching.